You're out in the wild, the trees whispering, the campfire crackling, and just when nature tests your limits, boom, you pull out a gadget that feels like it's from the future. This isn't your grandpa's camping trip anymore. From a portable hot shower that feels like home to a camper trike hybrid that turns heads on every trail, we've rounded up the coolest outdoor tech that makes roughing it feel like luxury. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time nomad, these 6 innovative gadgets are about to redefine how you camp, hike, and live off the grid. Welcome to Invo Tech Zone, where adventure meets innovation. Let's dive in. Number 1. NEMO Camp Shower. Friends, imagine you've just conquered a dusty trail, sweat dripping, sun blazing, and all you want is a decent shower. But wait, you're in the middle of nowhere. No problem. You whip out the NEMO Camp Shower. This isn't some drippy bag on a tree setup. This is 11 liters of pure pressurized bliss. Just drop it on the ground, pump with your foot, and bam! 7 minutes of steady water flows like you're in your own backyard. The 7-foot sprayer hose, long enough to rinse, wash, and feel like a human again. No hose, no hookups. Just fill it up from a stream, lake, or even a water bottle. This isn't camping, this is glamping, and it starts with staying fresh anywhere. Number 2. BeTRITON. Imagine cruising down on a scenic trail on a sleek electric trike, then without skipping a beat, gliding across a lake. And by nightfall, you're cozied up in a tiny camper under the stars. Sounds like sci-fi? Nope, it's the BeTRITON. A wild 3-in-1 beast that's a motorboat, cargo trike, and camper all rolled into one. Fully electric, fully eco-friendly, and built for 2. It's the ultimate travel transformer. Ride, float, sleep, repeat. With BeTRITON, you're not just exploring nature, you're living inside the adventure. Number 3. ND Tackle Smart Scadle. Friends, imagine you've just landed a monster catch, and your hands are shaking, your buddies are cheering, but wait, how much does it actually weigh? Enter the ND Tackle Smart Scadle, your high-tech fishing buddy with double-layered precision. This beast weighs anything from 100 grams to 50 kilos, with laser-sharp accuracy down to just a couple hundred grams. It's ultra-compact, folds down like a briefcase, weighs just 4 kilos, and the wireless receiver gives you real-time weight in pounds or kilos, right in your hand. One charge, 7 days, no wires, no guesswork. Just smart, rugged performance when it matters most. Number 4. Onewind Shower Shelter. Friends, imagine you're deep in the woods, campsite set, nature all around, but when it's time to change clothes or take a quick rinse, privacy? Yeah, not exactly nature's priority. That's where the Onewind Shower Shelter saves the day. This lightweight, compact privacy tent pops up in minutes and becomes your personal bathroom, changing room, or shower. Anywhere you go. Beach trip, backpacking trail, music festival. It's sturdy, breezy, and built for seclusion, so you can stay clean and comfortable without giving the forest a free show. A must-have for every outdoor escape. Number 5. Naturehike Sleeping Pad. Suppose you've hiked all day, conquered the trail, and now it's time to crash. But sleeping on the cold, hard ground? Not happening. Here enters the Naturehike Sleeping Pad, ultra light at just 1.3 pounds, yet thick, warm, and unbelievably comfy. With just 3.5 inches of cushion, this pad keeps you floating above rocks, roots, and regrets. Crafted with tear-resistant nylon and heat-locking layers, it's built for real adventure. And thanks to the smart valve system, it inflates fast, deflates even faster. No huffing, no puffing. It packs down small, but delivers big on comfort. This is sleep, upgraded for the wild. Number 6. BUNDL. Imagine you're out in the backcountry, temperatures drop, winds howl, and while everyone else is freezing, you're sliding into BUNDL. This is the world's first smart electric heating sleeping bag. No shivers, no layers, just instant warmth, controlled straight from your phone. Yup, thanks to built-in smart sensors and IoT tech, BUNDL adjusts to your body temp in real time. Cold at 2 a.m.? It's already heating up. Too warm? It dials down automatically. It's like having a personal thermostat wrapped in next-gen camping gear. This isn't just a sleeping bag, it's a cocoon of intelligent comfort. Which of these game-changing gadgets are you adding to your gear? Hit like, comment your favorite, and don't forget to share with your fellow adventurers. Subscribe to Invo Tech Zone for more awesome tech.